back again today with another video. And yes, you guys, today is gonna be my very first Halloween tutorial. If you can't already tell, I kind of did like a monster mashup between the Pennywise clown and the new Joker movie that just came out. I wanted to do both looks, but then I just seen everybody recreating these looks, so I decided to do both of them in one and do my own little twist on it. So I hope you guys do enjoy this Pennywise Joker. So yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this video as much as I do. I fucking love this look, especially both of these looks, and these movies are super popular right now. So just to mash both of them together, I just thought was fucking genius. I did struggle a little bit with painting my hair green. I actually went to my local Halloween store and I bought this. This is actually like a spray paint, kind of like for your hair, like a hairspray. And bitch, this shit is coming out clear. Thank God I like had a plan B and I ended up picking this up, and this is what I use to paint my hair. But if you guys want to throw on a green wig or anything like that, I feel like this looks a lot more edgy, and I just looks like the wet, greasy hair. I don't know, I live. If you guys do enjoy this video, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Definitely stay tuned for my next Halloween tutorials because I'm trying to get out as many as I can this year. And yeah, without further ado, if you guys want to see how I did this Pennywise Joker, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching, and until next time, guys, bye. So jumping straight into voiceover, as you guys can see, my brows are already on, and I also did prime my eyelids, so we are ready to jump straight into the eyes. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the infamous James Charles Morphe palette. So I wanted to use this palette for multiple reasons, one being that we pretty much all have this in our collections, and of course it does have a huge variety of colors, so this look is pretty colorful. So it's going to have every color that we need, and we do not need to be jumping all into multiple eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, this whole look was created with this one palette. So jumping into that really cute baby blue, I kind of lost that like clear film that comes with the palette that has all the shade names, so I do not know any of the shade names, excuse me. But yeah, this is the matte baby blue, and I am going to use this on a crease brush. And like I said, we're going to be doing a cut crease on each side of the Pennywise and as well as the Joker side. So yeah, for right now we're doing the blue, that's going to be for the Joker, and then I am going to go in with the red, and I am going to be doing the same exact thing on the other side for our Pennywise It Clown. So I am going to give each side a nice little blend. You do not need to go crazy with the blending because of course we are going to be doing a cut crease. So yeah. Oh shit, you guys, I completely forgot that I did actually jump into my Jawbreaker palette. I did only jump into that palette to use that deeper red and that deeper blue, only because I wanted to deepen up my eye looks. But of course, that is optional. You can leave it as is. It is not necessary. But of course, I always got to be a little bit extra, add a little bit more dimension, because I'm just extra like that. But yes, like I said, that part is optional. You don't need to do that. Anyway, moving on, I am now going to quickly cut my crease. I am taking a little bit of my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and this flat brush. This is from ColourPop. This brush has been super easy to do cut creases. I'll leave the number to this brush down in the description box. Hopefully I remember. But I actually did get this brush in my, I think it was the Honey collection. I don't know. But yeah, now on the other side, you guys can see before I cut the crease on the red side, I actually do go in with a baby wipe to take some of the excess red shadow off. And what this is going to do is, if you ever try to do a cut crease on red, your concealer kind of like turns it pink and it just is a hot mess. So taking a baby wipe first and then cutting the lid really like ensures that it gets super crisp and it's not messy and it doesn't turn pink. And yeah, it makes you use less concealer instead of trying to go over it a bunch of times to like get the pink out, because I do want to set the lids with white. So I am now setting my lids with some white shadow from the James Charles palette as well. And now that I'm actually looking at this look, these little cut creases are giving me like a Harley Quinn moment. So if you guys even wanted to do this for like a cute little Harley Quinn costume, I feel like this eye look will be super appropriate. I was like trying to find the word. But yeah, I am throwing on my wing liner and my dramatic ass lashes. And I'm so sorry for this part, you guys, but my camera did cut off when I did like pale out my face. So I'm going to tell you really quickly what I did. I just went in with a super light foundation. I did not use like a white because I'm not a fan of putting white face paint all over my face. I don't know, you guys, I just don't have like a good face paint that goes on nice and smooth. So I always opt out for the lightest shade of foundation. And just to make it a little bit more white and to cancel out any of the yellow tones in my foundation, I just go in with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and then just blend a little bit of that right on top of the foundation, and that's how I got this base. But now, as you can see, I am taking a regular pencil eyeliner. This one is from Collab, and I am just now drawing a crack down the middle of our face. And I do not like to do the straight vertical crack like down the middle. I feel like it looks a lot better if it's like zigzagged and messy, but of course you can recreate it and do what you do, girl. I don't know, it's just a big pet peeve of mine, that vertical straight down the middle crack, half and half. I don't know, I just do not like that. But anyway, moving on. Now I am gonna add some shading to the crack so that way it can look a lot more, you know, realistic and not just like a fucking scribble down your damn face, you know what I'm saying? So I am taking a bit of black eyeshadow and a little bit of brown as well, and I'm taking shades, of course, from the James Charles palette. Like I said, everything is from this damn palette, so you do not need to grab nothing else, bitch. I got you. So yeah, now I'm just taking that on a smudger brush, and like I said, I am just running first the black and then blending out the black with some brown, and that's gonna give it some dimension and also make the crack look, you know, pretty real. If you ask me, I think I did pretty good on the damn crack. Ass crack. Okay. So now that I'm pretty happy with the crack, I'm going to start off first with my Pennywise side. And I am going to be taking, for this whole entire look, a few different shades of red, you guys. So I have liquid lipsticks here because, like I said, I don't really have good face paint on hand. So I have to invest in that fucking Flash palette, that Makeup Forever Flash palette. Hopefully by next Halloween I'll have that shit. It's just, I always never know my tools until it's time to fucking do a look, and I'm like, fuck, I should have got the Flash palette. But anyway, makeup will do, okay? Fuck that Flash palette for right now. But so right now I am taking a like brighter red liquid lipstick, and I'm just gonna pretty much throw on the lips. The reason why I didn't fill in my whole lips, even though both of the sides of the lips are red, I wanted different reds on each side. So for my Pennywise side, I am taking more of like a deeper blue undertone red, and I'm not gonna front, for this part of drawing the line I kind of did struggle. You guys are gonna actually see that I erase it because I didn't like the fact that it was just going straight up my mouth. If you guys look at a picture of Pennywise, it kind of like curves around his cheek, and I wanted to really uniform that in this look, so I was just like, eh. So one big tip when I am doing these Halloween looks is that if something is not coming out right for you, move on to another section of the face. So right now I was getting irritated with the mouth, so I just left it alone for a second, and now I'm actually jumping back into the eyes, and I did quickly just smoke out my lower lash line for the Pennywise side, and now I'm like, you know what, let's try this again. And the second time around I did it a lot better. So that's just a tip. If you're getting frustrated with one side of the face, bitch, move on to something else because it ain't that serious. So as you guys can see, I am doing this with a liquid lipstick. If any of you are wondering, yes, it did stain, but if you have a really good cleanser, girl, just on some foundation the next day and it's gone. So yeah, as you guys can see, I am taking a pencil brush, and I am just using the liquid lipstick kind of like as a paint. But now that I am happy with it, I am now gonna set that line that I just did with some red eyeshadow. So I'm pretty much just taking a shader brush and kind of just setting that red into place. That way it does not move, because since this is a liquid lipstick, it will smudge. So setting it with a red eyeshadow will ensure that it's not going to go anywhere. And I also did dip my brush into a little bit of black shadow just to deepen this up, because I wanted it to look a lot more grungy. So I am now also taking a blending brush because I liked that blended effect that I was doing. So I wanted to just make it look more blended. And yeah, this is pretty much it for the Pennywise side. If you guys want it to be Pennywise, you can so do this whole entire look to your whole face and it will be a look, sis. Okay, so moving on to our Joker side, I am now going to take more of that baby blue, and I am now going to draw like a upside down triangle underneath our eyes. This does not have to be perfect, you guys. Try to actually make this as messy as you can, because I wanted to do more of like an artistic type of Joker and make it look a lot more like drawn on and not too perfect. So yeah, I am also doing a triangle at the top of my eyebrow as well. And as you guys can see, I felt like it was a little too perfect, so I am now like going over with my beauty blender. And now for the little details on the Joker side. Like I said, I don't have face paint, so I am going to be taking these 2 liquid lipsticks from the Jeffree Star Pride bundle. I did just mix them together to get the perfect blue that I wanted. And as you guys can see, I am just drawing messy lines. I'm not really doing any type of special techniques. I'm just drawing basically some paint strokes, and I'm just letting my brush pretty much flow right on top of the eyeshadow that we did with the blue. And like I said, I press it in with my fingers so that way I can give it a really messy look. And again, because we are using liquid lipsticks, it will smudge if you touch it, so you want to make sure to set that with blue eyeshadow. I am taking that royal blue eyeshadow from the Jawbreaker palettes. It didn't show up really good on camera, but it is a really pretty royal blue shade. So yeah, the Joker does have more of like a royal blue. Now I'm taking a brighter, more of like an orangey red type of liquid lipstick. The other red that I used for the Pennywise is more of like a deeper red. The red that I'm using here for the Joker side is a lot more brighter red. So yeah, I'm using this liquid lipstick to draw on the brow as well as do our little clown nose. I just went for a regular clown nose, a regular circle. Can't really see too much because this damn mirror is covering it. But yeah, you guys pretty much get it. We're doing a damn clown nose. And then I'm also going to take that same liquid lipstick and I'm going to use it to fill in the other side of our mouth. As you guys can see, side to side, they are different reds. So yeah, now I am going to extend the mouth with the liquid lipstick just to go into that Joker type of mouth. Oh my god, it's so hard to explain what the fuck I'm doing with these damn Halloween looks, you guys. It's just like, what? But yeah, I did not like the perfect mouth, so I did go in with a smaller brush. And you guys are going to see I'm actually going to make like little lines, like little scribbly lines, just to make the eyes look more tied together. I mean, just to make the lips look more tied together with the eyes, if you get what I'm saying. So I love the little strokey paint stroke look on the Joker side. I really enjoyed that. And again, as well, you want to set everything. So I am setting the mouth with some more red eyeshadow. Now that the look is almost complete, you just want to go on and add the little finishing touches. So I am taking a black liquid eyeliner just to deepen up the crack in the middle of our face. And I am now going to take a white liquid liner, and this is just going to add some little highlights to the Joker side to just make it more artsy. And just for one final touch on the Pennywise side, I decided to add some black shadow. And then moving on to the last step, which is the hair. You can choose to paint only one side of your hair, the Joker side, but I just decided to do my whole entire head. You guys, I did buy that spray paint can shit for your hair and it fucking failed on me. So thank God I ended up getting this grease and makeup for my hair. But let me tell you, I had green in my hair for fucking 2 days after this. Like, my pillowcase was green, the whole shower was green. This shit stained pretty bad, but it was worth it. Anyways, this is the finished look. Comment down below, you guys. Are you Team Joker or are you Team Pennywise? And also comment down below which movie is your favorite. I actually am a huge fan of both. But yeah, thank you all for watching. And until next time, guys. Bye.